Hello my beautiful sunshines, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So summers are here and kurti dresses are one of the most versatile pieces to style, especially in this season because it's such a comfortable piece to wear. And so in today's video I'm going to show you 5 different ways in which you can style one single kurti dress. Yes guys, one single kurti dress and 5 different outfits. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video.
So in the first outfit I'm wearing these red leggings with the kurti dress to give it an ethnic look. And this guys, this is one of my favorite pieces from the whole jewelry collection. I bought it from Janpat. Next I'm wearing these gold bangles which goes really well with the whole outfit. Since I'm going big on the necklace, I thought I should wear something lighter as earrings. Next I'm carrying this gorgeous embellished bag, again a Janpat steel, to complete this outfit. I think this outfit is perfect for any kind of small functions in your family and friends. It's comfortable and the bag just makes it even more functional. The next outfit is more on a casual side. I've paired some white sneakers with the kurti dress here, and I'm also wearing this light wash denim jacket with it. Folding the sleeves just gives it a more comfortable look. And now I'm taking my favorite sling bag which I bought from Thailand. If you haven't seen the Thailand haul, then you must check it out. Subtle plug-in, but seriously guys, you'll love watching it. I'll give the link in the description box below. This one is for all the girls who think if they're curvy, they should not experiment. But look at me here. I'm wearing this white shirt and tying a knot in the front, tucking the knot in, and I don't know why I'm making this face, but the outfit looks good. And now I'm adding this big coin necklace that I featured in my last video as well, again from Janpat. Also some silver bangles as they go perfect with the outfit. These square dangling earrings, I love pairing these earrings with the square pendant of this necklace. And this beautiful clutch that I bought from a local market in Rishikesh. And that's how the complete outfit looks on me. So don't fear to experiment guys, just go all out with your styling and with confidence, you're gonna rock any outfit. In the next outfit I'm wearing this black cropped blazer and look how cool it looks with the kurti dress. Also wearing some black boots with it. Now to keep the Indo-Western look going on, I'm adding this layered silver neck piece, again one of my favorites. It looks great with any outfit. I'm wearing this big Banjaran bracelet which goes perfectly well with the outfit. And next, this is optional, you can add some black sunglasses to complete this boss lady outfit. Such a powerful outfit, gives all the girl boss vibes. Will definitely make a statement wherever you go. And for the last outfit, I'm wearing this beautiful pink Gujarati dupatta, made it into pleats and carried it on one shoulder. The same pom-pom Kolhapuri chappals and this belt guys, I'm in love with this belt. Again a Thailand purchase but goes really well with any of the Indian outfits. Some golden bangles and I'm wearing these beautiful big jhumkas since I'm not gonna wear anything on the neck. A golden handcuff in the other hand and the same embellished bag as a clutch this time. And voila! This is the complete look. Perfect for the Navratri season, although you can totally rock it in any of your family functions. I myself wore this look recently in a family function with a different kurta and got so many compliments.
And that's it for today's video. I hope आप सबको ये पसंद आया हो. Do not forget to share your pictures with me if you recreate any of these outfits. And follow me on my Instagram क्योंकि मैं वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ post करती हूँ. Many other styling ideas. And subscribe to my channel. Free है यार, कर दो. Like and share it with your friends as much as possible. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Especially in this season because it's so versatile. Wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. मुंह पे मैं